Hey everyone, we have just recently installed a Flowmaster Super 44 on this 2016 Silverado. I have another video of a Flowmaster Super 40 on here. The main reason I changed them out is I wanted something a little bit louder, and the 44 is just a little louder than the 40. It's certainly more aggressive than a 40. Check it out and see what you think. It's a little bit louder in the cab with a 44. Not much, but if you're cranking it up first thing in the morning, or if it's a cold start, if you're going to pass someone on the interstate, if you really get on it, the 44, in my opinion, it sounds the best. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much.